Do you work in a cleaning company? Are you responsible for the hygiene of your working spaces and not satisfied? The world is innovating at the speed of light. Yet, still today, workers perform cleaning by hand, using only mops, brushes and sponges. Dirt often moves from one spot to another, and bacteria lurk and proliferate everywhere, also causing bad odors. It's time to project yourself into the future. Thanks to Santoemma, a company with 40 years of experience in this field that has patented an innovative system capable of revolutionizing current professional cleaning methods. Eveline, the specific system for complete cleaning and sanitization of furnished rooms. Up to 200 square meters. How does it work? Using a spray gun, you cover walls and sanitary fixtures with ultra-thin foam. You wait a few minutes for the chemical solution to act. You rinse the surfaces with clean water, and you thoroughly wash the floor with a special floor wand, spraying a solution of clean water and detergent. Scrubbing, vacuuming, and leaving no residue. With Eveline, rooms are clean, sanitized, dry, and perfumed. And the operator's work is easier, more effective, and quicker. An example? It takes only 10 minutes to perform the complete cleaning of 60 square meters. Between one cleaning intervention and the next, Eveline also allows you to quickly sanitize previously cleaned surfaces and rooms. In fact, with the nebulizing gun, you can spray on surfaces that become dry within minutes. Or you can deliver a sanitizing air jet up to 4 meters deep to easily reach every corner. You can use Eveline as often as you like and whenever you need it. It is also available in a battery-powered version